Hey everyone, welcome back to the JavaScript interview question series. In this video, we are going to talk about one of the most important concepts in JavaScript, that is closure. If you understand this, you will be way ahead in your interviews. So let me explain it step by step, the theory parts. A closure is created when a function remembers its lexical scope, even when it's executed outside that scope. If I explain it in simple terms, a closure gives you access to an outer functions variable from an inner functions, even after the outer functions has finished executing. So you will be understand it better if I gives you some code snip or code example. First, I declared a arrow function named outer. And it will return a inner function. And inside the outer function, I declare a variable named count and initial its value 0. And inside the inner function, I increment the count value. Now, if I run the code, output should be 1 for the first time. Yeah, here is a little bit confusing. Okay, let me run this first. Yeah, see, current output is 1. Now, why it's the output 1 when I run it first, but my initial value is 0? So let me explain it. When we run outer a variable called count, it's created it, and inner it's returned. Now count start at 0. When I call counter for the first time, it run the inner functions which increases count by 1 using counter plus plus. So the new value of count become 1, and that's what gets locked. So the new value of count become 1, and that's what get locked. Even though outer function has already finished executing, the inner functions still remember the variable count. That's what we call a closure. That means the inner function keeps a reference to the variable of its parent function's scope. Every time we call the counter, it still remember the old value of count. So let me give you an example. The expected output should be 2 and the third one should be 3. See, the current output 1, 2, 3. It's remember the previous value. That's the closure in JavaScript. In the interview, closure are one of the most common asked question. So make sure you understand this deeply. If you like this explanation, subscribe for more daily JavaScript interview question.